Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my November Ipsy bag. It just arrived last night, so all I did was open that. Let's pull it out. Alright, here we go. Glow off this winter. Here's the bag. It's like a faux snake. I think that's like a snake skin print. It's silvery mauvish color. Now I did get the email telling me what's in my bag, and just from the email I wasn't excited, so this one might not be so exciting. I will show you what I picked, and I do have a card telling me everything in here. No add-ons this month. I didn't add anything on. Let's start with what I picked and then go from there, because yeah, I picked a little palette. This is the Ballerine eyeshadow palettes, Elman Beauty. Let's open this up. Oh, it's in a box. Open the box now. Yeah, I wasn't enthused with this month's bag. Oh, that's nice. This reminds me so much of, I just happened to use, this is partly what's on my eyes today. Very, very similar. These pans are just a little bigger. Just a little bigger. Very similar. It's pretty. That's pretty. Let's watch them. We're here. Do they have names? They do. They are Plier, Etendra, Reliever, Believer. Oh, God, my eyes. Glisser and Elancer. I don't know. We're just gonna. There's one. Two. Start with those three. Swatched. There we go. Grab a makeup wipe. Get my hands really good and clean. And then the last two, we've got this shimmer. That's pretty. So we got 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. There we go. That's the color story. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. That's the bright spot of this, and I picked that one. Alright. So, let's keep going. I think that's a good buy. We'll try those out. Next, let's go by my card now. Saturday Skin, a carrot and niacinamide moisturizing cream. That sounds nice. I just have so many full-size moisturizers and sample-size moisturizers, but that's okay. Let's see. Massage any excess cream onto the top of your hands. I use them for hands. The full-size version is 30 ml for $27. This is 8 ml. Yeah, 8 ml. I'm sure it has a protective. No, it doesn't. That's a little shocking. I put it on the end of my nose. Do you see? Yeah. I don't smell anything. All I smell is my perfume. Okay. Well, I mean, it's okay. It's not exciting. Moisturizers aren't exciting, but it's okay. Next, we have First Aid Beauty. This is Bounce Boosting Serum. Okay. I'm not going to open it up. It's lightweight face serum. Is like the fountain of youth in a bottle. Well, we will see. I'm about done with the serum I'm using. That's a sample, and then I'll switch to this probably this weekend. It works like magic, blah blah blah. Okay, Full size of the product is 30 ml for $44. This is 10 ml. $10? That's $10 worth. Well, we'll try it out. But like I said, just not exciting. Next, Femue, F-E-M-M-U-E, Brilliant Cleansing Gel. Let's see if we can focus in on that. Probably not. Sorry, probably not. Let's see. This gentle botanical based gel cleanser is slightly acidic to keep your skin's pH level in check. Blah, 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 blah. Full size version, 125 ml for $52. This is 15 ml. To cleanser. I'll add it with my other cleansers. And then last, I got a pencil. Well, this is okay. This is alright. Lovecraft Beauty Gel Eyeliner in Motor. This is a full-size product for $18. We do like full-size. I do like full-size. You found where I could open it. I'll finish getting the rest of that off later. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty black. It's very creamy. I think I will like that black. Very nice. It's going to bug me till I pull the rest of the plastic off. There we go. So, okay. I like the pencil. The pencil and the eyeshadow I really like. The others are not bad. You've got a moisturizer, a serum, and a cleanser. So not bad. That's like with just these things, you can do your face. You can do everything. It's not bad. It's not the most exciting I've ever had. But I guess it's not. Wow, the makeup wipe. Look at that. That pencil's got some power to it there. So yeah, like I said, it's not the most exciting, but you know, all in all, it's really not that bad now that I look at it. So the bag is okay. Again, not my favorite, but nothing. I mean, I think it's fine. It'd be great to store things in. I think it's okay. So yeah, this is just an okay month. It was just okay for me. So guys, what did you get? Any of you get this eyeshadow palette, or have you gotten it? And do you have any thoughts on it? What have you got in your bag? Because I like to hear, especially those who don't have a video, don't do YouTube videos. I like to hear what you got in your bag. So yeah, if you'll let me know down below. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next time.